Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to enable dark mode on your Android phone. Great for reducing strain to the eyes and make your phone stand out from the others rather than having a boring white color scheme. So let's open up settings on your Android phone by swiping down to bring your notification window. Tap on settings, which is the gear symbol. Find display and tap on that. Now here you'll see light and dark. Select the dark option and dark mode will be enabled. You can go in dark mode settings and schedule it from sunset to sunrise or use your own custom schedule. You can select your start time and your end time for dark mode. And that is how to enable dark mode on your Android phone. Thanks so much for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to this channel for easy to follow tutorials on social media apps and video editing applications. I'll see you in the next one.